You're on video. What is it?
This is a pull vacuum. Bought it on Temu. It says it's good for small pools, so I'm gonna try it out. So it's already fully charged. I turn it on. It says once it's beeped, let it down into the water.
Did you read the manual?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, that looks nice. What? Look at that. What? That's too awesome. I've seen some on the internet that have like, where they're also the thing that like has the chlorine for the stuff, or climbs up the walls. Does this climb up the wall or no?
No.
Oh, this is just for debris on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
The chlorine takes care of this wall not being mildewy, right? Whoa, that's a big difference. A big difference. Got a bunch of robots running around in here. Look. He's cutting the lawn over there. Oh, it works that way too? Look at that. That is awesome. They give you the special hook to pull it out too, right? Go ahead. Just stopped on this, so I don't know. Maybe you got full. All right, we're gonna clean it out. I don't know how it's done, but Jennifer's gonna show me.
Turn it off.
How you turn it off? The button's on the bottom? You just push that? That's it? You hold it down or push it?
You push it to turn it off.
Just once?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be off. So these, they're just like little clamps, like a toe.
Uh-huh.
And then you just pull this right